Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to design high-converting ad creatives in Canva specifically for Facebook ads using proven design principles that work in 2026. If your ads look good but don't convert, the problem is usually not the product, it's the creative. So yeah, let's fix that. First, understand one thing. People scroll Facebook very fast. Your ad has less than 2 seconds to grab attention, so the design must be bold, clear, and instantly understandable. Open Canva and choose a Facebook ad size. Starting with the correct dimensions ensures your design looks sharp on both mobile and desktop. Yeah, most conversions happen on mobile, so always design mobile first. Now focus on the headline. Your headline should be short, benefit-driven, and easy to read. Avoid long sentences. Instead, highlight a clear outcome or problem your audience relates to. Next comes visuals. Use high-quality images or simple background graphics. Faces, emotions, and product close-ups usually perform better than generic stock photos. Yeah, your image should support the message, not distract from it. Colors matter a lot in Facebook ads. Use high contrast colors so text stands out clearly. Make sure your brand colors are visible, but don't overwhelm the design. Clean and readable always wins. Now let's talk about text placement. Keep important text in the center area so it doesn't get cropped on different devices. Avoid clutter. One main message, one supporting line, that's enough. Add a clear call to action. Words like shop now, learn more, or get started guide users on what to do next. Yeah, without a call to action, even a beautiful ad can fail. Canva makes testing easy. Duplicate your design and change one element at a time, maybe the headline, image, or color. This helps you A/B test creatives and find what converts best. Before exporting, zoom out and look at your ad like a Facebook user. If the message isn't clear in 1 second, simplify it. When exporting, choose high-quality PNG for Facebook ads. This keeps the creative sharp and professional. High-converting ads are not about fancy design. They're about clarity, emotion, and strong messaging. And Canva gives you all the tools you need to do this without being a designer. So yeah, that's how you design high-converting Facebook ad creatives using Canva in 2026. If this video helped you, like it, subscribe to the channel for more Canva and marketing tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.